Hey guys, Corey here, BPB. We are out here doing a quick little shop update. If you guys have not seen our Buster, the Fox body build, you need to go check that out. We finally got it fired up the other day, got that video posted. Next, I want to talk about the what we're going to go on to. That's going to be the Impala. We're going to move on back to that and hopefully get it pretty much done. So that'll be kind of what we're vlogging over the next probably month and a half, 2 months, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna try to do a lot more vlogging on that and show you guys a few tips and tricks and some things I've picked up along the way. But thanks for everybody that's watching and following along our builds. These are our 2 most popular builds so far. I wish I would have done this stuff years ago, videoing all the stuff that I've done and painted and built, but you know, I didn't really get the itch until I started on the Fox body. That was kind of what made me really want to get into YouTube and showing. That thing was gone. It was completely, it should have been trashed, but you know, scrapped. But we saved it and it's back, and it's, you know, it'll be on the road this summer, hopefully, on the track even, maybe. Next thing I want to go over is our giveaways. We try to do a few giveaways here and there. We are currently on a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will give away a set of DeVelbus paint and primer guns. That'll be to anybody that's subscribed. You don't have to do anything else or special. Just if you guys would share this video to let people know about that giveaway. Also, or go back and find the giveaway video and share that. That would be even better probably. But another thing I wanted to go over was what we've been doing the last few days, and that is installing a new lift. So let's go check that out real quick. All right, boys, here she is, our new lift. Shout out to Jamie at B&R Automotive Equipment Sales. She was awesome. She gave us a smoking deal on this lift. If you guys are in the need of one, they also install them if you're local. Great people, family-owned business over there. I've bought a few things off of them now. Everything's held up nicely. Also, shout out to all my friends that showed up to help me get this thing installed. If it wasn't for all the talking, we probably could have had it done in a couple hours, but I don't think we had about a 7 or 8 hour day in it. But not a bad job, not bad at all. All right, guys, thanks for checking out our little shop update video. If you would, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and your enemies if they like Fox bodies and Impalas. We'll probably do plenty more than that here on this channel, but right now that's what we got going on. Hopefully, maybe toward the end of the month, we might be starting on a Buick GS, hopefully, if we get there. But thanks for watching, guys.